I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas, Kitchen Sink family members, where you are. Maybe it's in the morning, it's in the afternoon, it's at the end of the day. Merry Christmas. I want to keep my promise. I promise that I will be posting a vlog each day, and to do with our help for 2025. And I'm calling these habits 7 habits that should remain in 2024. These are habits that will deter growth, they will deter development, they will deter success in your life in 2024. And we are leaving them in 2024. They are not crossing. Come 31 midnight, we are not crossing into 2025 with these habits. And habit number 1 for today: manufacturing excuses. Manufacturing excuses. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 13, the Amplified Version says, the lazy one manufactures excuses and says, there is a lion outside, I will be killed in the streets if I go out to work. This excuse, we as a people, we can create unrealistic or exaggerated dangers to justify inaction. And when we manufacture excuses, it suggests that it's intentional. We use our own creative process rather than genuine concern. And we use fear as a rationalization. Often the lazy person isn't just making an excuse, but specifically chooses fear as their justification, as your justification. You're not going to be doing this and that because you are justifying that fear for yourself. The extreme nature of a lion demonstrates how people might use seemingly legitimate concerns to mask simple unwillingness. That's the point, dearly beloved. You are just unwilling to achieve, and you are using fear as an excuse. And one of the other things is that self-defeating, this kind of attitude is self-defeating behavior, because you refuse to work out of fear of danger. You actually put yourself at great risk, through poverty and dependency. And the irony that staying at home to avoid an imaginary lion will lead you to real, very real hardships in life. Whatever you may want to achieve, you are not going to be able to achieve it because you've convinced yourself that there is a lion outside. This is very interesting. The scripture says, there is a lion outside and I'll be killed in the streets. This is not talking about the jungle, a rural area type of setup. No, in the rural areas, there are not many streets. Streets are found in urban areas. And I'm in Africa. I'm in Harare in Zimbabwe. There are no lions on our streets. That means it can only be imaginary. It's only something that is in your mind, something that is in your thought, something that you are creating, because it's extremely unlikely that you will see a lion in the streets of Harare, and even in the streets of your city, wherever you are. It's highly unlikely. And so this highlights the absurdity of the excuse and shows how transparently false some rationalizations can be. Very, very false. There are no lions in the streets of Harare. Come out and pursue your opportunities. In 2025, we are not crossing while we are creating and manufacturing excuses. And this actually speaks to a deeper psychological insight, how we can dress up our reluctance or to work or face challenges in the language of self-preservation. It shows how fear and laziness can work together to create a self-justifying cycle. This year, the economy is not well for me. The next time, the politics of our nation, it doesn't allow me to do it. The next time, it runs in our bloodline. The next time is the sins of the fathers in my generations. You will always have an excuse. And in 2025, we are not crossing with this habit. We are stopping now manufacturing excuses. We are stopping now. Come 2025, we are daring, we are taking risks, and we are following through with every opportunity that presents itself in the name of the Lord. Because Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 says, "For I can do all things through Christ." You and I, we can do it. You can do it. Come out and you will be successful in 2025. Continue to enjoy Christmas. Continue to celebrate the birth of Christmas. Christ was love, and is love, shall be love for us. Merry Christmas, Kitchen Sink family members.